Hi friends, this is Miss Amy.
Hi friends, this is Miss Maisie.
And today we are going to teach you how to ice paint. Okay, so first you need to get an ice tray and fill it up with water. Next, you need to take your ice tray and take it over to the counter. Okay, now we will be using different watercolors, liquid watercolor. If you don't have liquid watercolor, you can use food dye that you would use in baking or whatever. You could even mix paint in it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a couple of drops and drop the color into the ice tray. So we mixed all of our colors. Now you can we are going to use popsicle sticks, and you're just going to mix the color in however you want. You can use popsicle sticks or you can use a spoon, whatever you have at home. So it will look something like this before you put it in the freezer. So after you leave it in the freezer for a few hours or overnight, you will have something that looks like this. Okay, now for the fun part. You can get a piece of paper. It can be a regular piece of paper, it can be cardstock, whatever you want. And we are going to take our ice cubes out of the tray. Now, to kind of keep the mess low, you can either use a cookie sheet, or if you have a tray like this, you can put your paper on this, or a cookie sheet, whatever you have at home, so that the water doesn't leak through your paper. Now you can let the ice melt a little bit, or you can just start painting. Looks like Maisie is making a flower.
So fun.
Have fun! Now this is what it's gonna look like if you paint it while it's frozen. So now Miss Maisie is in the other room. She's gonna warm some popsicle ice cubes in the microwave for just a few seconds to let them melt a little bit, so we can show you the difference of how it paints when it's frozen. Versus when it's a little bit melted. You might be able to see the color better. Okay, so Miss Maisie let the blue one melt a little bit, so we're gonna see how it looks different when the ice cube is a little bit melted. Oh, it looks like you can see the color better. Okay, friends, now the more you keep painting with your ice, the more it's going to melt, and eventually the stick fell off. Okay, friends, now that we've showed you how to paint with ice and how to make it, we want you to guess some of the colors we made. So, what do you think this color is? It's purple! Okay, now next one. Let's see if you can guess this color. What do you think it is, Miss Maisie?
It's red.
Red! Okay, let's see if you can guess this color. What color do you think it is? What is it, Miss Maisie?
It's green.
Green! Okay, friends, the more you paint with the ice, the more it's going to melt. So, let's see what kind of beautiful pictures you can make on your own.
Yay.
See you later!